Hello, my dear friends. Today I am going to share with you another very beautiful story. The name of the story is The Four True Friends. Once upon a time, a crow named Laghupatanka lived in a tall tree. A mouse named Hiranyaka lived in a hole at the bottom of the tree. In a lake nearby lived a tortoise named Mandhargana. The crow, the mouse, and the tortoise were very good friends. One day, a deer named Chitranga came running to them. He was panting and out of breath. The three friends learned that the deer was trying to escape from a hunter. The crow flew up to the top of the tree and found that the hunter was going in the opposite direction. She came down and told the deer, "I saw the hunter going away from here, so you needn't run anymore." The deer felt relieved. He accepted the three of them as his close friends. After that, they met near the lake every day and talked for hours together. One day, the deer didn't come to their usual meeting place. His friends were worried. The crow flew over some distance and found that the deer had been trapped in a hunter's net. Immediately, the three friends went there. The mouse started cutting the net with its sharp teeth. As they were talking, the hunter came there. By then, the mouse had cut the net, so the deer ran away. The crow and the mouse, being quick, also escaped. But the slow tortoise was caught by the hunter. Now it was the turn of the three friends to rescue the tortoise. They made a plan and waited near the lake for the hunter to come there. The deer lay down as if he was dead. The crow sat on his body and pretended that she was pecking at the eyes of the dead deer. The hunter put the tortoise down and went near the deer. The tortoise jumped into the water. The deer ran away into the forest. The mouse escaped into its hole and the crow flew away. Thus, the four friends lived happily ever after. The moral of the story is, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Thank you.